Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. India is making waves in the green hydrogen sector with a massive $1.3 billion investment, positioning itself as a global leader in this revolutionary technology. Discover how off-grid plants are changing everything. The world faces a significant challenge with hydrogen production, as 90 million tons are produced annually, but less than 1% is green. Industries like steel and chemicals rely heavily on fossil-based hydrogen, contributing to global emissions. Clean alternatives are crucial for industrial decarbonization. India's energy landscape is marked by over $100 billion in annual imports and ranks third globally in CO2 emissions. With 85% of oil consumption dependent on imports, the need for green hydrogen disruption is clear, especially in rural areas where grid infrastructure is patchy. In June 2025, Adani New Industries commissioned India's first off-grid green hydrogen plant in Gujarat. This isn't just another pilot project, it's a groundbreaking new paradigm for hydrogen production, setting the stage for future developments. The off-grid design revolutionizes hydrogen production with energy independence, direct solar integration, smart energy management, and advanced PEM electrolyzers. This innovative approach solves the fundamental problem of producing hydrogen where the grid can't reach. With a total capacity of 5 megawatts and 400 kilograms of daily production, this plant operates 24/7 on 100% renewable power. Utilizing PEM electrolysis and direct solar energy, it boasts zero grid dependency and unlimited location flexibility. Odisha is undergoing a $1.3 billion transformation with major green hydrogen and ammonia production complexes designed for global export. Leveraging its vast renewable potential and strategic coastal location, Odisha is poised for significant growth. Odisha's strategic advantages include deepwater ports for direct shipping, a robust industrial base, abundant renewable resources, and a prime location for export. This perfect combination of production, demand, and export capability makes Odisha a winner in the green hydrogen race. The innovative industrial cluster model integrates hydrogen production with industrial consumers, reducing transportation needs and costs. This export-ready model is now being replicated across multiple Indian states, enhancing cost efficiency and supply chain integration. India's National Green Hydrogen Mission aims to become the world's largest producer and exporter by 2030. With policy development, tax reforms, and comprehensive government backing, investment confidence is growing, paving the way for a sustainable future. India's financial support structure for green hydrogen includes capital subsidies, tax incentives, blending mandates, credit guarantees, and international partnerships. These measures make green hydrogen financially attractive at scale, encouraging widespread adoption. The green hydrogen market is set for explosive growth, with projections of $8 billion by 2030, a 160x growth multiple over 7 years. As production capacity expands exponentially, India is poised for global leadership in this transformative sector. India boasts the world's lowest cost renewables, breaking solar price records regularly. With optimal solar and wind resource combinations, India offers the most competitive green hydrogen, making it a leader in renewable energy. India's massive domestic market for green hydrogen includes the steel industry, chemical sector, refining, and manufacturing. Early projects have guaranteed customers, ensuring revenue security and driving demand for green hydrogen solutions. Green hydrogen offers strategic energy independence for India, reducing import vulnerability, improving trade balance, and enhancing national security. As a strategic lever, it promises energy sovereignty and a sustainable future. India is at the forefront of cutting-edge innovation in hydrogen technology, with advancements in electrolyzer R&D, storage solutions, microgrid integration, and transport applications. Designed for Indian needs, these breakthroughs have global application potential. India's growing expertise in green hydrogen is recognized globally, with key partnerships in the EU, Japan, Australia, and Saudi Arabia. These collaborations in technology transfer and financing are driving India's leadership in the hydrogen sector. Major industry leaders like Total, BP, Siemens, and GW Scale are investing in India's green hydrogen sector, alongside Indian conglomerates like Reliance, JSW, and Adani. This influx of investment is accelerating the development of hydrogen infrastructure. Despite challenges like financing gaps, policy stability, and technology costs, government solutions are in place to mitigate risks, ensure policy certainty, and support innovation. These efforts are crucial for overcoming hurdles and advancing the green hydrogen revolution. India is not just talking about green hydrogen, it's building it at scale. With breakthroughs in Gujarat and Odisha, $1.3 billion investments, and exponential growth, India is leading the way in the global clean energy revolution. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode and